Hi guys, in this video actually I'm going to discuss about how to install Ollama in Fedora. So first here let's open this place terminal. Now if I do search here, 1 second increasing the size. So if I do here search, sorry, if I test the curl, is it curl install or not? So by default curl 8.18 that's already installed. Now the next is in Google search box right there Ollama, then go on this ollama.com site. So click this, then you can get this run open models, get more uses. Let's click on this download. Then you can get this for Mac, this command you need to use. So copy this command and there you need to paste inside the terminal. So curt, then this install.sh is the site. So press enter, give the password, and now you will see here downloading Ollama Linux, this star file. This is the percentage. So currently this is downloading, and after that, that will start doing the installation. This all that's done. The download as well as install that's done here. When you get right to Ollama, then this you can get. So this version is there, this selected. Now press the right arrow. Then you can here Minimax M3 Quad GMO 420. So this Minimax M3. Let's press enter. So there you need to do there login. So here this is you need to do the login with email, Google or GitHub account. After that you can use this. Now if I go there writing Ollama minus minus version, so you can see this here or 13% that 33% that install. So this is how we can do the installation of this Ollama inside the Fedora. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.